Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Getting user input in Java, a comprehensive tutorial. This tutorial will guide you through various ways to obtain user input in Java, ranging from the most basic using scanner to more advanced techniques like console-based reading and working with command line arguments. We'll cover code examples, best practices, and address potential issues you might encounter. 1. Using the scanner class, the most common approach. The scanner class, part of the java.util package, provides a convenient and flexible way to read input from different sources, including the console, standard input. 1.1. Setting up the scanner. First, you need to import the scanner class and create an instance of it, associating it with the input stream, usually system.in for the console. Explanation **** import java.util.scanner. This line imports the scanner class, making it available for use in your program. ***scanner equals new scanner, system.in. This creates a scanner object named scanner. The system.in argument indicates that the scanner will read input from the standard input stream, typically the console. ***scanner.close. Closing the scanner releases the resources it's using. It's important to close the scanner, especially when dealing with files or other input streams besides system.in. While the JVM handles closing system.in automatically when the program ends, explicitly closing the scanner is still good practice and important for other input sources. 1.2. Reading different data types. The scanner class provides various methods for reading different data types. ***nextInt, reads an integer value. ***nextFloat, reads a floating point value, float. ***nextDouble, reads a floating point value, double. ***nextBoolean, reads a Boolean value. ***next, reads the next token as a string, delimited by *** space. ***nextLine, reads the entire next line as a string, including *** space. Example ***. Explanation ***. 1. Prompting the user ***system.out.print, displays a message on the console, prompting the user to enter input. We use print instead of println so that the cursor remains on the same line as the prompt. 2. Reading the name **string name equals scanner.nextLine, reads the entire line of text entered by the user, including spaces, and stores it in the name variable. 3. Reading the age **int age equals scanner.nextInt, reads an integer value entered by the user and stores it in the age variable. 4. Scanner.nextLine, after nextInt, * important, this is a crucial step. NextInt, reads the integer but doesn't consume the new line character, \n, that is left in the input stream when the user presses enter. The next call to next line would then read this leftover new line character, resulting in an empty string. By calling scanner.nextLine, after nextInt, we consume this new line character, allowing the subsequent next line call to read the user's actual color input. This is a very common issue for beginners. 5. Reading the color *string color equals scanner.nextLine, reads the user's favorite color. 6. Output * the code then prints the collected information to the console. 7. Closing the scanner *scanner.close, closes the scanner. 1.3. Input validation. It's essential to validate user input to prevent errors and ensure your program behaves correctly. The scanner class provides methods to check if the next token in the input stream is of a particular type. Explanation ***. ***scanner.hasNextInt, this method returns true if the next token in the input stream is a valid integer, otherwise, it returns false. ***if hasNextInt, returns true, we proceed to read the integer using scanner.nextInt. Asterisk if has nextInt, returns false, it means the user entered something that's not an integer. We print an error message and then call scanner.next, to consume the invalid input token, preventing it from causing issues in subsequent reads. Robust input loop asterisk. A more complete example demonstrates how to loop until valid input is provided. Key improvements asterisk. Asterisk looping for validity asterisk. The while valid input loop continues prompting the user until valid input is received. Asterisk input consumption asterisk. Scanner.next line is always called after has nextInt, to consume either the valid integer's new line or the invalid input. This prevents the infinite loop problem. Asterisk range check asterisk. An additional check is added, age equals 0 and age equals 150, to ensure the age is within a reasonable range. Asterisk boolean flag asterisk. The valid input boolean variable is used to control the loop's execution. 2. Using buffered reader, more advanced. The buffered reader class provides a more efficient way to read character-based input streams, especially when reading large amounts of data or when you need more control over the reading process. It reads input buffered, which can improve performance. 2.1. Setting up buffered reader. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk import java.io.buffered reader, imports the buffered reader class. Asterisk import java.io.io exception, imports the IO exception class, required for handling potential input/output exceptions. Asterisk import java.io.inputStreamReader, imports the inputStreamReader class, which bridges the gap between byte streams, like system.in, and character streams that buffered reader uses. Asterisk buffered reader equals new buffered reader, new input stream reader, system.in, creates a buffered reader object. It's chained with input stream reader to wrap system.in, allowing buffered reader to read character data from the console. Asterisk try catch finally block asterisk buffered reader's methods throw IO exceptions, so you need to handle them. The try catch finally block ensures that the reader is closed properly, even if an exception occurs. Asterisk reader.close, closes the buffered reader in the finally block to release resources. 2.2. Reading input with buffered reader. The primary method for reading input with buffered reader is readLine, which reads an entire line of text as a string. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk string name equals reader.readLine, reads a line of text from the console and stores it in the name variable. Asterisk exception handling asterisk. The try-catch block handles potential IO exceptions that might occur during the reading process. Asterisk closing the reader asterisk. The finally block ensures that the reader is closed, even if an exception occurs, preventing resource leaks. 2.3. Converting input, when using buffered reader. Since buffered reader.readLine always returns a string, you'll need to convert the input to other data types if necessary. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk string ages string equals reader.readLine, reads the age as a string. Asterisk int age equals integer.parseInt, ages string, converts the ages string to an integer using integer.parseInt. Asterisk number format exception asterisk. A number format exception is caught in case the user enters something that cannot be parsed as an integer. This is crucial error handling. Buffered reader versus scanner asterisk. Asterisk scanner asterisk easier to use for reading different data types directly. More convenient for simple input scenarios. Asterisk buffered reader asterisk more efficient for reading large amounts of text. Provides more control over the reading process. Requires explicit type conversion. Typically preferred in performance-critical applications or when dealing with file input/output. 3. Command line arguments. Command line arguments are values passed to your Java program when it's executed from the command line, terminal. They are stored in the args array in the main method. Example asterisk. How to run with arguments asterisk. 1. Compile asterisk javac command line arguments example.java. 2. Run asterisk java command line arguments example argument 1 argument 2 argument 3. Output asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk string args. The args array is a string array that holds the command line arguments. Asterisk args.length returns the number of arguments passed to the program. Asterisk the for loop iterates through the args array and prints each argument. Example with usage asterisk. Running this example asterisk. Key improvements asterisk. Asterisk argument count check asterisk the code first checks if the correct number of arguments, 2, is provided. If not, it prints a usage message and exits. Asterisk number format handling asterisk the try-catch block handles potential number format exceptions if the user provides non-integer arguments. Asterisk error message asterisk a clear error message is provided to the user if the input is invalid. 4. Using console class, less common, but potentially useful. The console class, available in java.io, provides access to the system console. It's less commonly used than scanner because it might not be available in all environments, example within an IDE. However, it's particularly useful for secure input, like passwords, because you can disable echoing of the input. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk console equals system.console, gets the console object. It can return null if there's no console available, example running in an IDE without console support. Asterisk if, console equals null. Checks if a console is available. If not, the program exits. Asterisk string username equals console.readLine, enter your username, reads a line of text from the console, similar to buffered reader.readLine. Asterisk char password equals console.readPassword, enter your password, reads a password from the console without echoing it back to the screen, for security. This returns a char to avoid storing the password as an immutable string in memory for an extended period. Asterisk java.utility.arrays.fill, password, fills the password array with spaces to clear the password from memory as soon as you're done with it. This is a security best practice. Important notes asterisk. Asterisk console availability asterisk the console class might not be available in all environments, particularly within some IDEs. It's primarily intended for command line applications. Asterisk security asterisk use console.readPassword, for sensitive input like passwords. Always clear the char holding the password from memory after use. Asterisk password storage asterisk never store passwords in plain text. Use a proper hashing algorithm, example BCRYPT, Argon2, to store password hashes. Best practices and considerations asterisk. Asterisk input validation asterisk always validate user input to prevent errors and ensure your program's robustness. Asterisk exception handling asterisk handle potential exceptions that might occur during input/output operations, example IO exception, number format exception. Asterisk resource management asterisk close input streams, like scanner and buffered reader, to release resources. Use try finally blocks to ensure resources are closed even if exceptions occur. Asterisk user experience asterisk provide clear prompts and helpful error messages to guide the user. Asterisk security asterisk use read password, for sensitive input and clear the password from memory after use. Never store passwords in plain text. Choose the right tool. Select the appropriate input method based on your program's requirements and the complexity of the input. Scanner is generally suitable for simple input, while buffered reader is more efficient for large amounts of text or file input. Command line arguments are useful for passing configuration information to your program. By understanding these different techniques and best practices, you'll be well equipped to handle user input effectively in your Java programs. Remember to prioritize input validation, exception handling, and security considerations to create robust and user-friendly applications.